croupiers and bakers. Today I'm going to be opening my second BOSCH. I have a BOSCH that's lasted me probably, I don't know, 15 years, and it's awesome. And my sweet mom just thought I could use a second one, so she got one for me on Black Friday, so I thought it'd be fun to open it up. This particular BOSCH was a Black Friday deal that came with a baker's pack, so that's what that box is. This is just an extra dough mix that they sent with it. The baker's pack includes cookie paddles. I like this for things like chocolate chip cookie dough that are not as thick, a little bit looser dough. Bowl scraper. This is for just scraping the sides of the bowl, nice and clean. And then cake paddles. I love to use these for cake and things like that, but I use them for my royal icing too. And then this is a dough hook extender. You just attach it to the metal dough hook and it kind of scrapes the inner side of the bowl too. Okay, here is the BOSCH, my favorite mixer. I can do a quadruple batch of dough all at once, and it's pretty awesome. I used to do 6 batches of bread every Sunday all at once. Love it. So it has a lid. It actually has 2 parts to the lid. There's that top part and then this little shield, so you can kind of just put the shield on and still put ingredients in the top. And the BOSCH comes with these metal whisks and a plastic driver and the metal dough hook. The plastic driver is great, but I like to buy the metal driver just for some extra strength. And then here's the user manual, a spatula, and then the main part of the BOSCH is underneath here. This is where the motor is on the bottom, and so that way you can load things into the top of the machine. It's really awesome. Has suction cups on the bottom so that it stays put while it's mixing. The bowl is super easy to attach. Just twist it until it clicks into place. And then the same thing with the lid, just twist, get it in the notches and click it in. There's the shield and then the very top piece. I put all my flour in at once or my powdered sugar and put the lid on, and you can mix it all together without a big mess. I like to use the metal whisks for things like whipped cream, not for water necessarily like you see here. But for my royal icing, I like to use the cake paddles and the metal driver that I purchased separately just for some added strength. And for my cookie dough, I use the metal dough hook. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the BOSCH, let me know. If you would like to purchase one, I will have a link in my description. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Okay, Mom, you're just going to say what you're seeing, okay?
I can't do this. It's just a dog. I don't. Here's the motor. This is a fancy, strong baby. The lid's my favorite thing. Oh, there we go, whisking the water. Did I never whisk water? Why am I whisking water?
Transformed into icing.
Wow. If only it did that.
I know, it's like you went bibbidi bobbidi.
Thanks for watching, and I'll check you out next time. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have some good days. I don't know how these things come out of my mouth. Okay.